Hi guys, this is a stone here. Uh, this man is making a stone for decoration pieces for walls.
अंदर दीवार ना लगी है ना फिर बना लो पिक्चर
सही
तले सीढ़ियाँ
These are stones. Look at this beautiful stone. Making a chisel and hammer. This way they are making the stone like this. Please check. Look at beautiful stone
स्वाद
from Swat, Pakistan. You can fix these stone on walls, on patio, paveways. Check. I hope you like this work. This way they are making the stone like this. Check this beautiful stone. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family and your other community. Post this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload a new video you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.